Hello everyone, this is my homework for the Raspberry Pi Python Lesson 9 by Paul McWhorter. I'm going to use pulse width modulation and two buttons to demonstrate controlling an LED. So first I will clear the GPIO by canceling the program that's running with a Control-C, and the light goes out. So here is my homework code. Basically I set up the button 1 and button 2. I set up the LED output, set up a pulse width modulation object, and set a duty cycle to 12.5. Apparently with this we can go from 0 to 100. So I set a switch button count to 0 for each switch, and I turn the LED off, make sure it's off. And then I begin a for loop, or pardon me, a while true loop. I read the value and print the value for the first switch button, and that's the only one I care about. I figure if the one is working, the other one is. But I have a value too, I guess. And so basically I check to see if the button is pressed. If it is, I begin a counter to count how many times the button has been pressed. I start the pulse width modulation object, which I then turn on by multiplying the switch button count by the duty cycle. Since originally it's at 0, it will be off. And as you press button 1, which is here on the left, then the light gets brighter. And you push button 2 on the right, the LED gets dimmer. Let me set it over a little bit to help you see. So let's go ahead and launch the program. So you can see the count is 0 for switch button 1. I press it and the LED lights. A second time and it gets brighter. A third time, brighter. Push button number 2, it dims, but it keeps track of the count that way, and so I can go all the way down to 0, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is 100%. It's at 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. I will post this code, and if you have any questions, I will put this in the details of my posting of this video, and I'll be happy to answer any questions. Thanks, have a great day.